Hey guys, this is CHEMPLIFIED, and in this video we will talk about chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. This video is very much continuation of the previous video in which we were discussing the reaction of aldehydes and ketones with ammonia derivative, right? Ammonia derivative. This video is very much in continuation with the previous one. In this video we will discuss some more reactions related to ammonia derivative. Our first ammonia derivative that we will discuss today is hydrazine. Now what is hydrazine? NH2 NH2. The two nitrogen atoms are bonded together by a single bond and the other valencies are filled by hydrogen atom. They both have a lone pair of electron on them, right? Now in the previous video we also discussed these reactions will continue with the loss of water. So one thing's for sure, that there will be formation of H2O. There will be formation of H2O. Now from where this H2O is going to come? This hydrogen and this oxygen, these two hydrogens and this oxygen will combine together to form H2O. We have already made our H2O. Now carbon and oxygen were bonded together by two bonds. Nitrogen was making two bonds with two different hydrogens. So carbon and nitrogen both wanted two more bonds to make a stable compound. Now carbon and nitrogen will combine together with a double bond, CH3 CH double bond N, and the derivative other than that will remain the same. The other ammonia group will remain the same. So this will be your final compound, and the name of the compound will be acetaldehyde hydrazone. You are making hydrazones, so this will be acetaldehyde hydrazones. Acetaldehyde hydrazones, right? Now in the similar way, this was your acetaldehyde, and this is your ketone, acetone. In this case also, the oxygen will combine with the hydrogen to form water, right? Then carbon and nitrogen will combine with a double bond. So the final product will be, now you can just write the name. First one was acetaldehyde, you write acetaldehyde hydrazone. This is acetone, you will write acetone hydrazone. That's how the formation of hydrazones will take place. Now let's move. The second reaction that we will talk about is reaction with phenylhydrazine. Phenylhydrazine, when treated with aldehyde and ketone, will give phenylhydrazones. The process is same. The reaction will take place in the same manner. The oxygen and hydrogen will combine together to give water. Loss of water have already taken place. Carbon and nitrogen will now combine together and they will form C6H5. Now what is the name? Now since our compound, the reacting compound is acetaldehyde, so the name will be, you can just suggest acetaldehyde phenylhydrazone. Acetaldehyde phenylhydrazone. Now the last one, this is our ketone, acetone. Again oxygen and hydrogen will combine to form water, right? And the final product will be like this. Now the name is acetone phenylhydrazone. Let me write it. Acetone phenylhydrazone. hydrazone, right? So this was the second reaction. Now all these compounds are very much related to hydrazine only. NH2 is hydrazine, right? After removing one hydrogen, they just add C6H5, the phenyl group, right? So the name changes to phenylhydrazone. These are just, you can say, the derivative of hydrazine only, right? Now they all come in category of that I forgot the name, ammonia derivative. Yes. Now this is the last reaction that we will talk about. Reaction with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Now let me first write the name of phenylhydrazine. The formula for phenylhydrazine is like this: C6H5. Now what is this C6H5? The C6H5 is phenyl ring. Let me draw it like this. Now look at the name, 2,4-dinitro. So 2 and 4, at second and fourth position there will be a nitro group present. NO2 group will be present. So the name changes to 2,4-dinitro phenylhydrazine, right? Now the process is same. The oxygen will combine with hydrogen to form water. Let me first remove it. The oxygen will combine with the hydrogen to give water, and the final product will be, you can just suggest it or guess it, the final product will be C double bond N H C6H5 ring and 2,4-dinitro. Now since our starting compound is ketone or acetone, the name of the product will be acetone 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. So the final product will be acetone 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. I have only taken the example of ketone, but you can also take an example from aldehyde. The reaction will remain the same and the name changes accordingly. If acetone is there, acetone 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. If aldehyde is there, you will write the name of aldehyde, then 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. That's how you name these kind of compounds, right? So these are the three reactions that we have discussed today. This will be it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching.